Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we are going to talk about one thing that I've noticed inconsistent traders usually struggle with. This thing is what's affecting most inconsistent traders and is holding them back. So what is this? Basically, it's not minding your own business. As a trader, you need to mind your business. Trust me. In the forex industry, there's a lot of noise. There is a lot of noise. Somebody is selling this, somebody is selling that, somebody is exposing this person, somebody is exposing that person, somebody is beefing with this person, somebody is beefing with that person, somebody is showing their analysis, somebody is using that other system, somebody is using that other strategy. Trust me, if you don't know how to mind your own business, you will be swayed each and every other way. At the end of the day, you are just left with nothing. My advice to forex traders will be, if you want to see consistency in your trading, is know who you are. Know who you are, what you are about, and choose a single strategy and trade with that strategy. Trade and test that strategy until it screams before you start this thing of switching over strategies every day. Every day you are testing a new strategy. Every day you are buying a new system. Every day you are buying a new robot. Every day you are signing up with a new mentor. Guys, know your business, know yourself, know your business, know yourself. If you are a swing kind of a trader, what are you doing in a scalpers group? What are you doing looking for a scalper mentor, scalping strategies? You are a swing trader, you know yourself, you are inwardly, you know you prefer swing trading, but you are all over the place. You are hanging out with scalpers. uh, it's just noise in your life. It's just noise in your life. Learn to trust your own analysis. Learn to trust your own analysis. Every strategy is going to fail. Each sometimes sometimes, sorry about my voice, I get passionate when I talk about these things. Each and every strategy will take a loss here and there. It doesn't mean that when your strategy takes a loss today, then you need to find and buy a new strategy, find a new mentor, find a new broker, everything. No, accept that that's the nature of the beast. That's the nature of forex trading. That's the nature of the beast. Mind your business. If you are a scalper, hang out with scalpers. Don't hang out with swing traders or position traders or day traders and stuff like that. There will just be noise in your ears. At the end of the day, they are going to tempt you with new things. They are going to tempt you with strategies that work for them, for their kind of trading. That's the thing. We are usually tempted because we go onto our Instagram and we see this person looks like they've got this brilliant system. Oh, I need to get that system. Maybe it's going to make me more money. You find that at the end of the day, this person is just hopping from one system to the next, from one strategy to the next, from one trading style to the next. There is no consistency in their life. There is no consistency in the way they trade. So mind your business. Mind your business. Know who you are and find what works for you. Accept, it's important, accept that your strategy might fail here and there. If you have a strategy that's over 70% profitable, you are good. You can then tweak and work on that strategy to better it. It doesn't mean now you chuck the strategy out the window and you go and find another strategy or another system, another robot. You continue in that loop. You continue in that circle. You never get out of that circle. You'll just be going from one strategy to the next, from one mentor to the next, from one group to the next, one signal group to the next, trying new things. No consistency. Find something that works for you and make it your business. Don't worry about what everyone else is saying out there. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing out there. They are not you. They are using a different strategy. They are using a different trading style. They are probably swing trading and you are a scalper. Why should you pressure yourself? Mind yourself. Mind what you're doing. Know what you're doing and work on yourself. Work on yourself. Trust me, when you work on yourself, mind your business, shut out the noise, definitely you start seeing results. So lesson for today, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, leave a comment in the comment section below if this video helped you and share the video. Until next time, bye.